Canada này nè, Canada mà cái chỗ này là gọi là Prince Rupert. Đây của mình đây, tới Canada này, ra đây em không thể đi đâu, đi đâu, xe số này thì 80 đô.
Onto the path. Then in 40 feet, take a left on Marketplace.
made it to my room, but I had it in my pocket with my phone. And I demagnetized the key. I got 10 seconds. Any man in here who knows you done the 10-minute, 10-second drill. Women don't know what it is. This is the 10-second drill. And if you miss it, you can just walk back home just like this because you're pitiful. I'm looking and there's a young man, and what a wonderful staff they have here. Put your hands together for the staff. You're going to end up in the pool. Philippine people! I didn't care. I was just glad to get on the ship and get myself comfortable. Because some of y'all got these wonderful rooms. International superstar. I'm on HBO and Showtime this month. Guess where I'm at? I'm on deck 001. I'm so low on the ship, I'm rowing. That's why we're not moving, because I'm up here. Look at the rednecks. Well, somebody's got to do it. Shut up, that ain't funny. White people will walk off this place with furniture and won't nobody say not a word. Sir, where are you going? I won this in the hairy chess competition. It's just me and y'all, the Mormons, they got it. You know, when I come back from Tracy, y'all was just getting off. And a big group of people was coming. And it was slightly raining, I couldn't see. And the closer I got to them, I went, oh my God, this is an Asian ship. What kind of comedy are you gonna do? Because you know what I said? I said, I'm gonna be myself. And I met some of the nicest people that you want to meet. There's some very nice people on this ship, and some of you are so stupid and so ridiculously moronic. When you're sitting at a table and there's 2 seats with you, ask somebody to sit at the other 2 seats. Their food getting cold. They want to sit down. You don't own those 2 seats. Invite them to sit down. You'll find out that your kids ain't as stupid as you thought. You'll find out they hate their mother-in-law too. They can't believe she's here. Because you know nothing. Little sucker, I'm watching you. Wait till you get older. Everything changes. Sex changes when you get older. We're the brotherhood members. Oh, you young people. We used to be something else. Remember we was younger? Now, we not sure. I'm trying to do this in delicately. No, because we have rules. Would you like to hear the rules? Don't go to the front desk on me. Do you want to hear the rules? Do you want to hear the rules? Rule number 1, from now on when we're making love, there'll be no more talking because I can't breathe as it is. I'm sucking oxygen out of every hole in my body. I don't know what you want from me. You gotta pick one. You wanna talk, you wanna make up, what you wanna do? I said we should watch Marsha Dillon, but no, you want. That wasn't too bad, was it? Let me try another. Rule number 2, you want to make love with me, I need a 2-day notice. Your brotherhood members know why I need 2 days. I gotta go get things so we can all be happy. Otherwise, we just 2 fat people. Anyway. No, listen. When I met you, you had little bitty legs. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Now you done grown these tree trunks. You ain't gonna kill me. How did he die? He was holding up the rainforest. One of the trees hit him in the head and killed him. We had to bury him in 2 caskets. Are you okay, sweetie? You about to fall out? I'm trying to fix it. You should see my late night show, but I can't do it on this shit. Woo! I mean, nothing I do is disgusting, but I'm real. Yeah, you feel like making my hip been bothering me. I don't know. Play with yourself for a few minutes. I'll be back. When you get it going, call me. I'll come. Look at the Christians. They looking at me like, if y'all y'all not carrying enough camera equipment. Shut up, that ain't funny. How is it that y'all can walk down the street in Skagway and when one person in the back get out of line, you stop? And when they get back in line, without looking, you continue on. That blows my mind. I don't have that. We, the rest of us, don't do that. I hope people get out of line. Get away from me. I got it. See, we came up in a time where we used to laugh and talk together all the time, and I wish we could get back to that.
Đó, hôm nay là ngày thứ 8 nè. Thứ 7 chứ, hôm nay là ngày thứ 7, là bữa ăn của ngày thứ 7 nè. Skin nè.
Tài xiên có tài nè.
Này là cái cá nè. Cái cá. Cái này
Đây là chiêu leg potato soup.
Potato soup. Cái này là scallop nè, the same ha. Ôi chết rồi.
Keep one for me. Oh, that one not yet.